Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Holden Captiva 7CX, stock reference number 3985. This shape runs from the 9th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. We have a pair of side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cutout. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step. Sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.